morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tea Day plus one. Yes, it's Friday after Thanksgiving. I'm still full from last night. Everything here came out wonderful. Robin did a wonderful job with her onion rolls, the no knead. And this little, she tells me later, this is the first time she has ever worked with yeast. I don't know if she was trying to rub some salt in my baking wounds or what, but they were good, very good. I look forward to, opening them up and get some gravy on them. Yeah, yum. But everything came out wonderful. I will post up some, if not most, of the recipes from yesterday. Today is leftovers, but as soon as I get this posted, I'm going to start my turkey stock. Then we will have turkey barley soup for this evening. Yeah, nothing better than homemade, fresh turkey stock for soup. Yes, let's get to it. Got my largest stock pot. Yes, gotta have it. Strainer, cheesecloth. I always make sure I have cheesecloth on hand. It's part of the straining process. I do a very basic turkey stock. Some black peppercorns, white peppercorns, garlic. This little tubey thingy is a garlic peeler. It's a wonderful little invention. Here's the carcass from yesterday. And I'm doing a basic mirepoix. Actually, it's the American mirepoix. There are different ones, depending on what part of the world you're in. Good old celery, carrots, onion, and in this bag, I've been saving cuttings and scrappings from some of my prep work, which is mostly onion. And you can see there's some celery in there and a little bit of carrot peels and whatnot. So this will all get into there with fresh, cold water. I'll take it to a boil, and then I'll bring it back down to a very gentle simmer, and it'll simmer for at least 8 hours. That's the goal. So on Turkey Day plus one, have a great day, eat great leftovers, and have fun cooking.